Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kelly. Hi. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this hair color. Boom. We tried a new hair dye out today. I've been looking for one for ages, and it is the Drop It color by Shrine, and this one is in the pink. In my pink hair journey, I've used many different box dye pink colors. I've mentioned in another video, I don't go to a hairdresser. I haven't been to a hairdresser in about 6 years, so I just kind of try and do it myself every time. This worked out pretty good so far, and you guys always comment on my hair, so I thought I would make this video for you. So I've tried every single kind of box dye that's out there in the UK at the moment. I have some issues with them. So one, I always have to buy two. Always have to buy 2 boxes. It's so annoying. So it's about £12 every time, you know, which isn't expensive at all. And I'd probably have to buy it every 4 to 6 weeks to redo it and refresh the color. But, you know, it's Corona times. I don't have a job. I can't afford to do that anymore. So there's that. And there's also the other thing I absolutely hate about box hair dye is the amount of plastic they use in them that they give you to mix stuff that I don't even use. They usually give you like a little dropper bottle, developer, and then the color in a separate one, and gloves. And I use the gloves because you're supposed to. But the bottle you're supposed to apply it to your hair, I don't use it. I put it in a bowl and a little brush. And not only that do I not use it, I have 2 of everything. This apparently dyes your hair up to 30 times. That is tiny. How's this gonna dye my hair 30 times? I don't know, but today we are gonna try it out, and it's just little hair dye drops that you mix in with conditioner. It dyes your hair. Sounds pretty good to me. So you'll see in the video, I'm gonna show you how I mixed it and applied it. I did also mix another color into this that I had to use up, which was like an orange kind of tone, which gave it this kind of warm vibe. So if you're interested in seeing how this thing actually works on my hair, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I have washed my hair, just shampooed it only, no conditioner, because that's what we're going to be mixing the hair dye into. So I'm just brushing it all through. Not gonna lie, brushing your hair when it's not got conditioner in sucks. Alright, so this is what we are going to be using. It's by Shrine. I've seen this advertised on Instagram to me so much. Apparently, it dyes your hair like 30 times, like if you use the full amount. So we'll see. And you might be thinking, well, your hair's already pink, like, do you need to dye it? But you can see my natural colour kind of coming through, and also on the underside, just some of the colour has faded. And I don't dislike it at all, but I just kind of want it to be a bit more vibrant, you know? Take it out of the little box. You get this little bowl to mix the colour in, mixing stick, and you can buy the bottles on their own, so you don't have to get the little bowl every single time you buy one, because, well, then you just have a lot of bowls. I don't think you need that. And then the actual dye itself comes in this little glass. Is it glass? Yeah, I think it's glass. Glass container, and then the top I think is plastic, but it says, ooh, pretty cool. It's 100% recyclable, and if this dyes my hair 30 times, then I'll only have to recycle it like once or twice a year, which is amazing. The conditioner I'm going to be using for this today are these 2, well, I don't know if I'll need 2, but I've got 2 here that came in other hair dye boxes that I just didn't use. I don't know why they still make these. They are useless. Any conditioner will work when you're, you know, after you've dyed your hair. You can put literally any conditioner on. You don't need a specific one. So I don't typically use these, but every time I dye my hair, I have to use 2 boxes, end up with a lot of these conditioner things. So annoying. What does it say I need? Towel and a pair of gloves. I've got a towel. I don't have a pair of gloves, but it's gonna be fine, I'm sure. All right, got my little towel on, ready to go. So there's different like color levels for this. I think it's like, you can see this little shade thing here. And it's like, you can do like 6 drops, 12 drops, 20 drops, or the darkest is 30 drops. And I think we're gonna go somewhere in the middle, maybe 15, see how that does. And I am actually gonna be mixing it because I wanted to get the pink one and the peach one to make a kind of rose goldy toned pink, because that's the kind of color I really like. And sometimes a lot of pinks can be really cool toned, so they look more, I don't know what the word is, like purpler. What I'm gonna do is I was gonna buy the peach one, but they didn't have it in Boots when I went. So the next time I do it, I will, but I did have some of this blorange color. Maybe I'll mix this in and we'll see if it works. So this one is kind of like already mixed with a conditioner. So I'm just gonna use it as part of this, I guess. So I'll mix them in, put a bit of conditioner in, then add the pink. There's a little line in this bowl. There you go, there's a little line there. So that's where you need to fill the conditioner up to before you add the drops in. Splooched a little bit in there. It looks very, very dark on there, but it honestly doesn't. It's one of those ones that works really well if your hair's bleached. Mine is not, as you can see. So it might just warm up the tone of the pink a bit, I hope. I'm gonna add in some of this conditioner. All right, so I've mixed the orange in with the conditioner, and this is what it's looking like so far. And now we're gonna add the drops in and see what the hell happens. So we're gonna do about 15, see how that works. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
So it's very, very deep. It looks red when it comes out, but I guess it dilutes down when you mix it in with the conditioner. This is what it looks like an Instagrammer's breakfast. All right, so this is what it's looking like at the moment. I'm actually really happy with the color. It's really pretty. I'm tempted to add more drops. You know, if we add 5 more, then we're doing the full 20, so we can see the full pink fantasy. 5, there we go. All right, so there we go. I just added 5 more drops to it. So I'm gonna stick this on my head and see what happens. Now I'm gonna do the whole bottom layer like at the same time. All right, so I've literally just clipped that top section up to get it out of the way, and I'm just gonna start putting it on. Alright guys, so I have put the hair dye on my head. The bowl was enough to do my whole head because it's conditioner, so you can kind of smoosh it all around and cover all of your hair, which is epic. It doesn't appear to have stained my hands. They're back here, they look a little pink, but in real life they don't. So I'm going to leave this on for 10 minutes and then I will be back with it dried and styled and we'll see what we think. Alright you guys, so I have dried my hair, washed it out, and this is what it looks like. It feels really, really nice, like it's had a deep, deep condition because I basically just sat with conditioner on my head for 10 minutes, so that was nice. I think the colour came out really nicely. It's obviously mixed with that orange as well, so it's just a really warm kind of pink. Perfect for autumn. In this little bottle, this doesn't really smell of anything, which I really enjoy. I hate in normal hair dye boxes, it has that hair dye smell. Even the ones that don't have ammonia, it still has a hair dye smell, you know? It was really easy to put on my hair. I literally drop it into the conditioner, mixed it around, dumped it on my head, used my bare hands, which are not stained, and then just massaged it all in. So the colour is fairly even, though this little bit right here is just a tiny bit darker than the rest. I don't know why, but I'm here for it, it's fine. It's also very cost effective. When I buy my normal hair dye, I have to buy 2 boxes of it, which comes to around £12, and I'll probably re-dye my hair every 4 to 6 weeks. So that can add up quite a lot. Now, supposedly I can dye my hair 30 times with this. We'll have to see how long the colour actually lasts. It says it washes out between 2 and 10 washes. So we'll see how long it lasts and how often I actually have to dye it. But either way, even if I have to dye it every 2 weeks, it still will save me money overall. And the other thing I really love about this is that the only things that are in it really is this little bottle, the bowl and the mixer. And you don't have all of this single-use plastic, which one, I always feel bad about because I don't even use it. I do put it in the recycling. Does it all get recycled? I have no idea. Sorry about that. Yeah, so I love that it just comes in this little glass bottle, and I did look on their website to see how you recycle this, because this part is glass. This dropper bit at the top is made of like a plastic, and I'm not sure if you can just put it in the plastic bit or not. But I'll try and find out and write it on the screen or in the description if I know how you actually recycle this when you do. Maybe you can send it back, I have no idea. And the other thing I like about it is this cute little bottle's super easy to store. I can just put it in my little cabinet and it's ready to go for the next time I need it. Overall, I really like this. I think this is so cool, and I think I will be dyeing my hair with this from now on, depending on how the colour kind of wears and stuff. But my hair feels really good, it feels really strong and healthy. So yeah, super happy with it. If you guys want to have a look at where you can get it, I know in the UK you can definitely get it in Boots. On their website you can order it from there, and you can get the single bottles as well, because when I was in Boots I only saw the kits, none of the bottles on their own. So the next time I have to order this, I probably will order it from the website so I can just get the single bottles on their own. The full kit I think is like £12 or £13. And then the bottles on their own I think are about £8, so super cheap. Here for it completely. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I always get comments about my hair and stuff, so I thought I would make this video for anyone who was interested or wanted to dye their hair pink. So yeah, this is how we do it. And thank you to everyone who is a new subscriber here. I mean, everyone's kind of a new subscriber. I've only been doing it for 3 months, but thank you so much. It really means a lot to me, and I'm so shocked at how fast this has grown. We're so close to 1,000. So please, if you have not subscribed already, please help a girl out. Click the little subscribe button and you can see the new content I have planned for you. I do have a potential series planned that I'm working on at the moment, and I'm really excited to share that with you guys. So if you want to be around for all of the new videos, please subscribe. I'm also on the social media, well, Instagram. You can find me at the Kellicopter. If you want to follow me on there, you can. Other than that, that is all from me for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.